Hey guys, happy Black Friday and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've shared some really fun pieces and I'm really excited to say that today is sponsored by Merit Beauty, which is one of my absolute favorite beauty brands. I wear it every single day and today is their only sale of the year. It goes through November 30th, so you have a few days to take advantage of it, but it's 20% off everything on their site, which is a big deal because they never do sales and their products are so amazing and priced so fairly that you just do not want to miss this. So I'm going to be sharing a few new things that I'm trying out and I'm really excited about, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first one I have had before. I'm obsessed with their tinted lip oil, and the last one I had I flew through so fast because I just couldn't get enough of it, and it was more of a neutral color, but I thought for the holidays I would do something fun. So this is the Maraschino. It's a little bit redder, but since it's a lip oil, it's not going to be like super crazy dark on, I don't think. So, and it's just so cute. Their packaging is always the freaking cutest, and I just know it's going to be so good. You can tell just like from the light that it's gonna go on really pretty, and I think it'll be just such a great holiday color. Oh, it's like, it's really kind of giving like cherry juice and I cannot wait. So let's see. Oh. It's just that perfect little darkness that I need. I've noticed that during the winter my lips get so light and this is perfect. So don't be scared of the color. It's just like nice and juicy. This is just what I needed. So it goes on really nicely over anything. Nothing, if you have like a lipstick on and you want to add a little bit of shine, this is perfect for that, and it's good for your lips, so why not? Okay, next up is their Day Glow Highlighting Balm. I've never been like a super huge fan of highlighter just because I feel like it rubs off so easily. Like if you barely touch your face, the powder just like poof disappears. But since this is a balm and it's a little more hydrating, I thought it would be super nice. It's not gonna hopefully sink into any kind of crease or make it look chalky or anything, but just give a really nice glow, and it's gorgeous. Again, the bottle's beautiful and it's just got a really nice applicator. I can tell that it's gonna go on super smooth. So let's just do, while I'm right next to the window, a little, oh, it goes on really soft and smooth. Can already tell it's gonna be a good one. I love the Merit cheek, oh my gosh, blush. It's like the mini chunky version of this, so I think I'll do the blush and then swipe on top of that. I'm not really wearing anything today, so I'm just gonna do a little light bit here, but it even smells good. It's just how you know it's like clean and good for you and not gonna clog your pores. But the lips and the glow, it's gonna be perfect for holiday. Okay, next up is their newly released Merit Retrospect perfume. I am so excited I got this. I was flipping through Vogue the other day and there was one of those little like scenty pages in there, and I opened it and I was like, oh, she's good. And you know, she's clean, good for you. And I was like, I need it. So I immediately put it on my Christmas list. And then she showed up a couple days later, so I'm so excited to have this for the holidays, and it's definitely gonna be my new fall winter everyday perfume. And let me show you the bottle. But first, before I show you the bottle, I'm gonna get into the notes. So the top notes are bergamot, pear, amberette, and aldehydes. Not sure what that last one is, but pear, it was a surprise that I actually love. And then the heart is jasmine, rose, rosemary, violet, and orris. And then the bottom scent is vanilla, musk, and moss. So it's very warm, but it's not like too boyish, and it's not too fruity or floral. It's just right in between without it being too sweet. And the box is beautiful. So if you're looking to do a really special gift, it's under $100, which is a really great price for a perfume of such great quality. And if you get it while it's on sale, that's extra 20% off. So seriously, do not miss on gifting yourself or a loved one this really beautiful perfume. The box is gorgeous. I actually just dropped the bottle on the floor and it didn't break. So double points for Merit. It's stunning. It's gonna be gorgeous on your nightstand or in your bathroom or wherever you have it. It's definitely one you're gonna wanna keep out. And the lid is so satisfying. It's like, it's so good. And it smells so good. It smells so luxe. And I like that it's not a huge bottle that's just gonna feel like it's gonna take your whole life to use if you like to switch up your perfumes. But she's so cute, so beautiful, and I really hope you guys do not miss out on taking advantage of their Black Friday deal. So go check it out. I'll link everything in the notes. And thank you for watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Chatting with you guys about beauty faves is one of my favorite things to do, and I don't do it very often, so maybe I'll get more into it in the new year. But thank you to Merit, and y'all have a happy holiday season. Bye guys.